Before you buy a step stool in 2026, watch this. The number one pick almost didn't make the list. Links for all products are in the description. We tested 5 top-rated step stools, from folding designs to heavy-duty giants. And the number one pick? It's not what anyone expected. Let's go. Number 1. HBTower 3-step ladder with handrails. This ladder from HBTower has 3 large platforms with a non-slip surface design, providing a solid and secure climb. We put this step stool through its paces in our lab and at home for 6 months and found that it offered the right height and features for a variety of tasks around the house. Our first impression of the step stool is how lightweight and simple it is to set up, although closing it does require a bit more effort. Even when we climbed all 3 steps, it felt sturdy, and the non-slip rubber hand grip provided added stability. The hand grip also serves as a rail to lean on for stability around the upper thigh or hip area, depending on your height, when standing on the top step, which is particularly important if you are working on a project, like hanging wallpaper, that requires reaching high. As for its height, it's perfect for switching out a light bulb or reaching a higher cabinet in the kitchen. Thanks to the attachable tool bag, we also think it's great for various DIY projects since it can hold screwdrivers and other tools. One thing to keep in mind is that the step stool doesn't fold completely flat due to its rails, so you want to make sure you have a designated spot for storage. Number 2. Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool. We like the Handy Laundry Stool because of its remarkable versatility and practicality. Weighing in at just 2 pounds, this stool is not only incredibly lightweight but also affordably priced, making it one of the best little pieces of furniture to have around the house. The top is covered with anti-slip dots and anti-skid foot pads for added stability. We also love the built-in handle at the top, so it's easier to carry around with one hand while you're toting cleaning tools in the other hand. Lifting the handle pops open the stool. It folds flat at 2 inches deep for easy storage. Although the stepping stool lacks a locking mechanism, it is designed to stay open and in place once weight is placed on the step. However, the lack of a lock may be of concern to users. You may need to manually pull it to ensure that it fully opens before stepping on it. In addition, the step surface is slightly smaller than the rest of the frame, measuring 8.5 inches deep by 11.25 inches wide. To some, that may seem too small to stand on with both feet. Number 3. Cramer Kick Step Stool. You've likely spotted the classic round Cramer Kick Step Stool in various settings, such as libraries and retail stores. But what we love most is not just the iconic design, but that the casters lock into place as soon as you step on the stool, providing a safe and secure surface. The wheels are designed with a retractable spring-mounted system that allows them to roll smoothly but lock down, and the bottom becomes flush with the floor when weight is placed on the step. You may be surprised to see that these powerful casters are smaller than you anticipated, but you can't beat their functionality. However, we'd advise using this indoors only. The casters could become damaged if used outdoors on uneven or rough surfaces. Additionally, since this stool doesn't fold up, it will occupy more storage space than others on this list. Number 4. RayLove Step Stool. This RayLove stool is another handy helper around the house, offering both style and functionality for quick step-ups where needed. The non-skid rubber surface is ample in size to comfortably accommodate 2 feet on the step. It weighs just over 3 pounds, making it easy to carry for use around the house and outdoors. All the slats and side cutouts make it easy to grab the stool and take it where needed. The slats on top of the step stool are designed to drain water if the stool is used outdoors. However, it should probably not be left outside in inclement weather. You may be surprised to see that this stool is made of engineered wood, not solid wood. However, this can be a benefit for use in humid or moist spaces, such as bathrooms, because engineered wood can withstand moisture better than solid wood. However, remember that engineered wood is not waterproof, so it should not be submerged in water or used in the shower. Also, watch for the corners that may be sharper than expected. Number 5. HBTower 3-Step Ladder. I was a bit surprised at how well the HBTower step stool stacked up among its competitors. My first impression was that it was clunky and wide. But as the testing phase progressed, this one proved to be rather useful. One of the best selling points for this step stool is the extra wide pedals. The widest step on this step stool is generously sized at 14.2 inches, and those with an average-sized foot won't feel like they're teetering when stepping up. The wide pedals also have a non-slip rubber grip that offers heel-to-toe foot support. Honestly, I was able to climb up and down with nary the thought of feeling unstable or uneasy. With the highest step coming in at 28 inches from the floor, this step stool provides ample lift for getting into hard-to-reach spaces, and it will likely offer a good assist to see your household projects through to completion. It's equipped with a metal buckle that automatically locks into place once you step onto the stool. It has rubber feet that fully contact the floor, keeping you firmly in place, and as an added benefit, they won't mar your floors. The HBTower 3-step stool also has a non-slip rubber hand grip, which makes it easy to climb and easy to carry. However, at 12.3 pounds, it's one of the heaviest models we tested. That's thanks to the steel frame construction, which is a major factor in the 500-pound load capacity, so the weight has a trade-off. So there you have it, the 5 best step stools of 2026. Did your favorite make the cut? Or did our number one surprise you like it surprised us? That's the top 5. Which one surprised you? Links below. Like, share, and subscribe for more 2026 guides. See you next time.